video is going to be a review, kind of show you video. So welcome, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much, and click subscribe. Today's video, like I told you, is going to be a review. So I'm going to be going throughout the day trying this item. Look, I'm gonna show you really quick. It's $1.50. So we're gonna check back a little later because it's trying something that you eat it and kind of test it out. They contacted me, Viter Energy, to do a review. This video is not sponsored whatsoever. They just sent the item for free for me to test and give an honest review back. So that's what I'm doing. And the main topic about this video is going to be that I'm going to be announcing my second channel, and that is going to be Nenuka Tips, and that's going to be in Spanish. Some of you have asked me if I have a channel in Spanish, and which I did not have one before. Now I will be doing, and the only video there will be the introduction of the video. So down in the description box will be the link to my second channel, Nenuka Tips, so you go ahead and go over and subscribe to that channel too. I will gladly appreciate it. I'm really thankful for all the subscribers that I have on this channel, but since I want to do something a little bit different, non-mommy related topics over there, or just a little bit different, and in Spanish, if you're curious to hear me talk on Spanish, go ahead and go and subscribe to that channel as well. And that involves a lot of recording and a lot of talking, so that means I need a lot of energy. And Viter Energy send me over these mints to boost your energy. So they sent me these two little tent packets. Hopefully you can see, the light is killing me over here. These are Viter Energy spearmint flavor, and this says dietary supplement, and it says boost energy and freshens breath, and they're sugar free. This green one, Viter Energy, these are chocolate mint flavor, dietary supplement, boost energy and freshens breath. Sugar free. This is chocolate mint flavor, and this is spearmint flavor. I'm not sure about the chocolate spearmint flavor, I gotta tell you the truth. They're both like packaged really nicely. I like the tint concept of them. They're kind of thin. They're kind of like you can slip them in your pocket in your pants, or put them in when you have those little fatty wallets, or your purse, backpack, diaper bag, desk. Chocolate spearmint. I can start to smell it right outside. So I'm going to be opening it. It says Best by May 2020, and this other one says April 2020. If you can see it right there. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. So we're going to go ahead and open it. First, I'm going to get a little quick view of them before I open them. We're going to be opening it. I'm going to open the spearmint one first. Okay, so like I told you, since I'm going to be having two YouTube channels, or even if you are, this is not just related to YouTube, you're working, you need a little bit of more energy, you're starting school, you need a little bit of energy, because I'm going to open them both, because you're starting school, and it's the beginning of school. Of school? Have you seen Winnie the Pooh? They go on an expedition and they go on the school. Man, they are tight. They're really tight. So if you take off the wrapping, the green one did have clear wrapping. Can you see? It's magic. Look, clear. And the brown one does have I believe all of the ingredients on that one. I'm not even sure. It has 20 pieces each of them. I'm going to be opening this thing out. Okay, Bitter Energy, you can go to the website, gobitter.com, or go to the link that I would have in the description box below. A little bit about Bitter Energy mints. They're made for people who want energy, great taste, and convenience in one product. Strong flavor with fresh kick that'll energize you and freshen your breath. 40 milligrams of caffeine per mint, about half of a cup of coffee's worth or half of energy drink. So you can have as much as or as little caffeine as you need. Vitamin B complex in each mint. It has as well as niacin, B3, vitamin B6, folic acid, B9, and vitamin B12, which is great for you. 20 mints per tent, sugar-free, 0 calories. And strong minty flavor, vegan, star cake kosher, gluten, dairy, soy, and wheat free. Love them or your money back, it says here. As a mom, everybody needs energy. As a worker, you need energy. As a student, you need energy. Basically, whoever you are, whatever your job is, energy and vitamins, are absolutely vital. So Bitter Energy, I'm gonna give them a go for taste. Right here it says warning, do not exceed 5 servings hourly or 10 servings daily. So there is that for that. I'm going to be tasting I think this one, I'll just taste both of them. Right here says a dose of energy and fresh breath. 2 bitters equals 1 cup of coffee. And I recently have been, like doctor told me, I have migraines. So coffee or something like that would help me. And not taking a pill would greatly, like, I appreciate it because I am breastfeeding. But I'm going to be giving this, it says 2 bitters equals a cup of coffee. I'm just going to try one. And actually, since I want to actually keep that flavor, I'm going to try and taste the chocolate one first. Ooh, they're brown. The other ones are white. Okay, these are the big bits. Oh yes. It does have a strong flavor. It's currently 2 o'clock. So we're gonna see if this really does give me. I do taste a little bit of chocolate, but the mint flavor, it over dominates that whole pill. Like, it's really strong. I can feel it in my throat. I breathe it. I get cold. It's good. It's not bad. It's just it's really strong for a delicate person like me. This one smells more like gum. I think I'm gonna stick with one, and I'm going to give one to my husband and see what he thinks about it. What the heck? I'm going to put this one aside, the chocolate one, and I'm going to taste just the spearmint, which I'm thinking they're kind of yellowish, whitish. It's a spearmint flavor. Like the first one, you don't get the hint like right away. I still have the flavor from the other one, so hashtag go Viter or bitter. I don't even know how they pronounce it. Do you get bothered because I'm talking with Tanya Mama? Very flavorish. A lot of spearmint in it. My tongue feels cold. Can you believe it? So we're gonna go ahead and stop, and I'll be checking back a little later, see how my energy is. and called the Spearmint's Viter Energy Chocolate Mint and Spearmint flavors wet. And check back in a minute. Hey, back at it again at 4:38. Hopefully you see 4:38. I started them at 12, so that was 4 hours and a half ago. And I gotta tell you, these things really work. I wasn't really positive on that. They do give you the mint action. If you have a stinky breath, they will take away the stinky breath. I thought I wasn't gonna like the chocolate mint flavor, but it's actually really yummy. In the Spearmint, it actually just feels like you throw in a mint to get your bath smell, your bath breath off your mouth. And they do have a very, very strong flavor. I absolutely think they did give me energy. I'm a talkative person, but this made me talk even more. I cooked. I actually took pictures of my baby because she turned 5 months, so I took that one. I was like happy. It actually felt like I did got a boost of energy, and that's what they're meant for, to give you a boost of energy as a mom, as a homemaker, YouTuber. This gives you the boost that you need. I totally do recommend for you to buy them. If you need a harder boost, a quick boost, this will do the trick. The Spearmint, I think I would actually go into it a little bit more. Like I told you, 2 pills of these, 2 Spearmints equals 1 cup of coffee, so that's great. I don't know if it really worked for the migraines, because that one I did get a little bit of migraine, so I don't think that worked for that. That was my hope, but it does give you the energy. It boosts you up, and yeah, whatever it is that you're doing in your life, you need the energy to do it, and sometimes you just need an energy boost. It's easy to carry, convenient to have on the go, and not something you need to drink. This means taste good, and they work. They totally work. I am not sponsored by them. I'm totally giving you my honest opinion. Didn't like the chocolate very much. Do go for the Spearmint. I absolutely like them, and they taste great. Your bath breath is gone. Yeah. Don't forget to click the description box to go in the link to get your Spearmints, your mints, your Viter Energy mints to your house for yourself. And if you wanna see me talk in Spanish, also click on the description below and go ahead and go to my other channel and subscribe over there too. And like always, thank you guys for watching, and Viter, thank you so much for sending me the mints. Subscribe if you guys haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Spearmint, thank you for the mints. Love, 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 love.